Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using simple TikToks. Okay, these are easy TikToks, very easy to make, very simple to make, only take a couple of seconds and you're done. So we just been doing that for the last like a couple of days and just seeing if we can get a sale doing it. So anyway guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, the links in the description. You're interested in following along with the $25 business, and let's get started. Alright, so first off, let's go to our TikTok page, see how we doing. Now in the last, it looks like what I did last time did not perform that well. Let me refresh it just to make sure. Yeah, it did not. Yeah, I only got 2 more followers, look like, which is whatever. So that didn't work, so we're gonna go back to the strategy we was doing before. I was just interested in seeing how that worked out. But anyway guys, we'll first go to Pinterest here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna find quote, some kind of quote here, motivation, something like that. It's safe for me to use money to enhance my life. That's kind of boring. Let me pick mindset, motivation. Let's try that. Alright, remember to avoid failure, you also avoid success. You get what you focus on, so focus on what you stop doubting yourself. Work hard, make it. Remember the reason you are doing this to make your life better. Your life is as good as your mindset. Okay, that's a decent one. A lot of them are very vanilla. You know what I mean? I mean, which can would work really well as you probably work better, honestly. I just like to go for something that sounds a little bit more unique, I guess. It's the word I want to use here. Made it red last time. We're gonna make it orange today. Life. I'm gonna go with orange. Edit it. Put it right there. I'm gonna make it a little orange. Mindset. Orange. Type yes. Orange. Alright, that's done already. So now we just find a video on Pencil here. Let's amazing view. Switch the video, filter it, make it vertical. Now let's look at the amazing view. Okay, that was the last one. Go with, looks pretty cool. I love sunsets, they always look so nice to me. So anyway, we're gonna use that video there. I'm gonna quickly make this, pop that in, boom, boom. Let that pop in right there. Place the background. Alright, so what we're gonna do here, we're gonna cut the view in, edit the video a little bit. I always edit the video just to make it look a little different, mainly. And yeah, I like that. That looks nice. I mainly do it to make it different, because if you post similar videos, they won't get as much traction anyway. So I do that generally to make it look different in general to other videos. Somebody else might have gotten the same idea, made a video about that. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, we're gonna delete that there. I guess we'll find us a song here on Chelsea real quick. Just give me a second here to find something motivational. Let's go page like 6. Go on the last page here. Yep, here is them. Alright, we're gonna go with this. I like that. We're gonna put it Boom, boom, audio. If it that, make sure I volume up. Boom. I just don't have to worry about the volume now. What I want to do, I actually want to move it to, I think it's a perfect spot to put it at. Yeah, that works. Okay, download it. It's really solid. All right, got this. All right, so that video's done. So we're gonna go here to TikTok. Here we're just gonna grab what. We're just gonna copy the 500 ones for the most part. Copy them. Oh, did I take volume up? Oh, I did. Okay, I'll just make sure. Upload. And we're just gonna upload on the times that work. Here we're gonna use the same like these ones. They seem to perform better for me that are using random ones like I've been doing lately. So that's what we're gonna do. Now, what time do we post? Today is Thursday. Posting at 9. Okay. So the thing is on 9. Don't give up on yourself. Set your mindset just. Oh, I got this. All right, so that's all there is to it, guys. It's very simple, very easy to do. As you can see, we kind of slapped that together real quick. And it's just a little thing you do in the morning. It could get you some sales. Might as well try it out. Now, a more effective way you could do is take your most popular TikTok and just promote it until you get to 1,000 followers, and then you can put your link in there. I could do that as well. I'm not gonna do that. I want it to be all completely organic, completely free. That's why I'm trying it this way. All right, and that's the video there. We put the video right there. Wait for it to load up here. Might take a while. I don't know. Why is it taking a while? It shouldn't take this long. Okay, if it ain't loading up right now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna refresh it here. I'm gonna try it again. So, just start over. Drag it in there. Now let's see what happens. Will it go past 19%? It did. Alright, so sometimes that happens, guys. And I'm glad it happened so I can show you how to deal with it real quick. Like, all you gotta do, if it gets stuck, you cancel it and you just reset it. Alright, guys? Very simple to do. Very easy to do. Sometimes what happens is the servers just hiccup, I guess you could say. They hiccup a little bit. You know, if you know the internet, stuff happens. Alright? So yeah, that's all it is to that, guys. Very easy to fix. And we got our video up. And we got it scheduled. So that's all it takes, guys. And it's so simple like that, right? Yeah, guys. And if you, like I stated before, if you want to follow along, the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.